Understanding misfire in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into a fascinating English phrase, misfire. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it in various contexts. Misfire originally comes from the world of firearms and engines. When a gun doesn't shoot or an engine doesn't ignite as expected, it's said to misfire. In this context, it's a failure to perform a function properly. Example 1, the car won't start because the engine misfired. Example 2, the hunter missed the target because his rifle misfired. In everyday English, misfire can also be used metaphorically to describe situations where something doesn't go as planned or intended. It's a way to express a mistake, misunderstanding, or failure. Example 3, his joke at the party misfired, and nobody laughed. Example 4, the marketing campaign misfired and didn't attract any new customers. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the essence of the word. Here are some synonyms for misfire: fail, backfire, go wrong, fall flat. When using misfire in a sentence, remember: 1. It's usually followed by a context. E.g., the plan misfired because we didn't consider the weather. 2. You can use it both as a noun and a verb. E.g., that was a misfire. His strategies often misfire. There you have it. The term misfire can be both literal, relating to engines and firearms, and figurative, referring to any situation where things don't go as expected. We hope this explanation has shed light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using misfire like a native speaker.